Okay, so next we're going to do is add our ad account. So that we're just after setting up our page. So we're going to click add accounts on the left-hand side. If you're just coming in from there, you want to go to your business settings, accounts, add accounts. So we're going to click add. So you have three options here. So you're either going to be add an ad account, which means if you already had a Facebook business page and you have been using an ad account but not business manager, you will claim it here. You just click on it and you're going to claim. So if we're doing this, you're going to copy and paste the ad account ID that you have. In other cases, it's going to be that you're going to request access to an ad account. So if you do have access, it's going to be here in the drop down, and I just can't select the drop down because my client's accounts are in there and I can't be showing them. So in most cases, it's going to be create a new ad account. So you're going to go in here, you're going to call your business name and set your time zone. So it's important that your time zone is correct, because when you're scheduling ads to run or to end, you want to make sure that it's on your time zone. So if you're running a promotion or an offer and it ends at midnight on Sunday, you want to make sure it's midnight your time zone, or midnight in whatever you're able to make the adjustment. So say if it's midnight on the West Coast, so then you're like, okay, well, it needs to be 3 a.m. if you're on the East Coast. So just be making sure that this kicks in, because it's actually also super important if you're launching ads for, say you launch ads on a Monday morning, you want to have your ads starting around 4 or 5 a.m. if you want to give your ads the best chance. So if your time zone is off, you're not going to give yourself the best chance. It's always really good to run your ads first thing in the morning, so it gives the algorithm a full day to put that to the test. So here I will go for looking for my East Coast time zone. Here we go. And I'm going to say I want Canadian dollars. And then I'm going to click next. So then you're going to say, this is depending on who you're setting it up for. So this is for my business. I'm going to click create. So this is important, is we're just assigning roles. So you're going to select you as the person here, and you want to toggle on all the permissions here. And we will be going through adding another person to your account separately, but just make sure you have all the permissions here. I know it's a bit strange you're setting up the ad account, but you do need to actually make sure you toggle on your name and select your permissions here. So you're the permission to manage the campaigns, to view the performance, manage the creative hub, and to manage the actual ad account, which is the most important. So you're going to click assign, and then it's going to say, okay, let's go and add your payment method. So you can click on add payment method here, and then it's going to pop up. So it's going to give you a variety of options. So here we go. We have our dollar locked in, the business info we want to add, and then you have the three varieties of options. So you want to connect whatever the relevant one is and then hit next. So once you have that done, we're going to then go and look at is adding other people to your Facebook Business Manager account, because you might be setting this up to give access to somebody else. So we're going to have a look at that now.